I feel really confident today in my dress. This is how it look like when I don't have the upper or the top portion of this dress. This dress I bought from Shein long time ago. With, as you see in my post earlier, me and my daughter matching. She's looks so cute. Pagka nainitan ka, tanggalin mo lang yung ano, diba? Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang ganda ng pagka... I like this. The what you call that? Sa ilalim. Kasi ano siya, parang silk. So, ako kasi masyado ako mapili sa damit. Hindi ako basta-basta nagsusuot ng mga tela na ganito na nagdidikit sa damit ko kasi nangangati ako. Masyadong sensitive yung skin ko. This is how I look like. I have these boots. This boots is from long time ago. So this is really good for winter or whatever. Any occasion. It's just like a leather. Then just like having something like may mga ano siya sa ilalim. Makapal. Then these leggings or ties or whatever, parang stockings. This came from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in this stocking. If you guys are looking for a stocking, is really durable. I have these stockings for a really long time already. Then this has no like fit, so it's comfortable when you use it for so long because it does not gonna look at this. Underneath is I have these long socks, and then see, hindi yung other leggings are footed, then it's not really comfortable when it long hours because I feel like it smash my nails or something. Mag-shopping na. Piniplex ko lang yung outfit for today. Kayo, anong mga OOTD for today? Pwede kong makita din kung anong mga OOTD natin today. Alam nyo man mga babae, mga kikay, diba? Yan ang kasiyahan natin. Pagbigyan na. Diba?